Good morning, my name is Alejandro Reinaldo Mancilla Medina. I have 40 years old, I'm a singer, I don't have children, I was born in Characayo, Lima, Peru. I have experience in the Costa Cruise Line company, Isitari company. I was work in housekeeping cleaning, I wash the carpet, clean the ceiling, clean the floor. After duty is in room service, service of the passenger. No, I bring the breakfast, remove the breakfast, wash the plates, cup, spoon. Different duty in room service was made. After duty is snack steward. This duty is presentation of the buffet of passenger, no? In the meals, in the breakfast, in the lunch. The last duty in this company was linen valet, remove off the towel, different suitcase, different duty in the linen valet. For this company is very instruction for me because I have to learn in fire extinguishing, supervisor on the sea. Different instruction was received of this company. The last job was in Orlando, Florida, in the Vacation Villas Resort. I was beginning in housekeeping cleaning, but when I arrived to resort, for my experience, need to supervisor in the building number 5. My duty in this building was maintenance the building and cleaning. After duty was help to housekeeping ladies. After remove of linen of every room in the building. After duty was the small car for remove all the garbage of all the building. What is the duty? About 5 months working on this resort. And the experience is very, very good for me because I practice the different language because I learn to speak Italy, a little France, a little German. What is for me is very good experience. Thank you for everything. Good morning and ciao.